watch me elevate. I was born to win, I watch me elevate.
Alright, what is up, world? I'm back, and usually I try to bring you guys some cool stuff, but unfortunately, tried to do some cool stuff to the Evo, and it just didn't work out. Let me tell you what's going on. End up putting a bunch of AMS everything, upper intercooler piping, lower intercooler piping intake. End up breaking a major bolt. We got Mr. Angel over here. Angel, what did we get ourselves into?
Since we wanted more power, we ended up breaking a couple of manifold bolts that now we have to pull the engine out to be able to weld and strike them out because there's no room.
So, we are making progress. What else? Got all the stuff on the top, getting there, taking out the passenger side caliper, hang that with the brake line. Start taking off the motor mounts, all the clutch stuff is off. Yeah, and then we're gonna be dropping this bad boy soon. Mr. Angel, how close are we?
We're about to drop out the 4 bolts for the cross member and 2 motor mounts.
Yeah.
And should be on the ground.
Come down. All right, you're on it. All good. Motor's out. All right, good job, Mr. Angel.
We're trying.
Broken stud. Broken stud. Just a mess. But we gotta
Heat them up.
close up all the lines. Make sure
There's no fuel, oil that catching fire.
Yeah. All right, you see the glasses on? That means this is some serious business going on. We got Stevie over here making a mess. Actually, he's bailing me out. We are gonna attempt to remove these studs. Now we're gonna try this. See the new bolt extractor. Yeah!
You send that to Amazon and get to give it a good review.
Yeah. Well, seems like we have to drill. It's been a tough cookie. Seems like we're gonna have to helicoil it. So what is a helicoil? I guess we have to drill it out a little bit bigger, helicoil the tap, because the size is a M8 1.25. So you drill it out bigger, tap it, put the helicoil in it, and then it's supposed to hold the stud. So this one's a tough one. Probably one of the tougher engine stuff that I've done. We're paint guys, so we know nothing about engines, but we refuse to pay anybody, so we do everything ourselves. So follow us if you want to do this stuff yourself and learn how to do it, because it's just drilling. That's all it is. Patience. Definitely takes a lot of patience. Put this back on the side over there, get some helicoils, and round 6. Hope you enjoyed. We'll be back. We are not giving up. All right, so this is round like 6. Been drilling for about a week. I think we're gonna cut our losses, because we have to get a professional to do this. I drilled, and it's not centered. Been drilling for a long time. About $100 in bits.
Top 1. Has to be straight as an arrow.
All right, talk us through this, Mr. Angel.
No, this is the kit that they sell for retapping. So this is the drill bit that oversized that. Then retap it. We ended up putting a helicoil that is right back here, and then measures the factory size so we could put the factory bolt back in there.
These are way easier to drill than something like that, because this is freaking like
Steel.
yeah, versus like aluminum. So what are you doing? Tell the people.
What I'm doing here, I'm putting a piece of tape to see how far in the tap is, because I don't want to go too far in. That tells me how much meat I still got left inside.
Did it drill out? Oh, nice.
That's the
You got it out?
a piece of the sleeve that it was still
My
in there.
man.
That was a pain in the butt. We did it.
And that's just to re-clean all the threads. You pulled it off.
Yeah. One needs to be retapped and coiled.
Yeah.
This one is just clean thread, so we use that. We're gonna clean the rest,
Yeah.
and then that will be the final.
Nice. All right, time to tap it with the Healy coil. All done. Let me get the studs so we can put them on there, right? And just like that, the engine block is retapped. All this stress for nothing. You pulled it off, Mr. Angel.
We did.
From LS's to Evos. So here we are. Got the engine all pressure washed and clean. And Mr. Angel here. And we're gonna mop up everything. So excited. Looks so beautiful. Look at that beautiful manifold. Tomi Goka. Mr. Angel.
Sir.
If an Evo was falling off a cliff and a Corvette was falling off a cliff and you had to like save one, who are you saving?
Much I'm working on Evos, I have to probably say Evos, but I'm a Chevy guy.
So the Corvette? Yeah, these motors are a pain in the ass, these cars. You got a special love-hate relationship with these things. What happens is the manifold's hitting that piece of the block, so we have to cut it. Alright, that's cool. Alright, all good. We did the cut. Push it in. Let me see if I can see how close you got it. So look at that, look at that. It's not hitting, so that's good. Oh, this thing is looking sick. Alright. Torque time. Mr. Angel. 37 pounds. Down pipe.
Nice.
Alright. It is coming together. Manifold's on, turbo's on, downpipe's on. Another thing, what's up with AMS? They put the logo at the bottom. They should have put the logo like right here. Nice AMS logo.
And you could appreciate, right?
Right? Alright, I'm a little bit late, but Mr. Angel is here. Yeah, Mr. Angel, you ain't playing today. No. Engine is in. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright, doing all the little fine tuning stuff. Putting all the wires, hooking up the battery, gotta hook up the coolant lines, AC compressor, did the wire harness. Yeah, and then we'll give it a little dry start and start going through all the major components. Run a little bit, do oil change later. Yeah, and then intercooler, still got a ways to go. Alright, all together. Alright, let me just tell you, this was a lot of work. This was not easy. Had to call on a lot of help from a lot of people. This is something that you don't want to do a lot, but persevered. Here she is, all put together. So I got the Tomioka exhaust manifold, got the AMS downpipe, got the heat shield from Speed Circuit, got the AMS hot pipe upper intercooler piping, AMS intake, AMS lower intercooler piping into the real AMS intercooler. So you kind of see the AMS inside the teal or the tile wastegate. That's the one to get for the Evos. And this thing boogies. It is so fast. I'm a little scared to drive it. I do want to dyno tune it one more time just to see what the last set of numbers. But I'm pretty content with it, right? Like how it is. So here she is, all put together. And let me tell you, this is a pain in the butt. Car was down for nearly 4 weeks. And just because I don't trust too many shops, actually I don't trust any shops, so I did it all myself and subbed everything here for what I couldn't do. Time to finish the red one. Hope you like my story. Let me tell you, this is not for the weak. If you're gonna do something like this, just plan ahead. So, hope you enjoyed all this. Like the saying goes, like, comment, subscribe, and I will be trying my hardest to give more content. And that's about it. And see you guys on the next one. There's a lot going on over here, so there's always a story or always something to build. So I'll see you guys in the next one. I appreciate you guys checking me out and checking out the YouTube channel and all the vlogging stuff. Appreciate you. See you on the next one. Take care.